Hello children, myself Dilip Khumkar. Today we are going to learn about how to create, modify and format charts. What is chart? A chart is a graphical representation of data in which the data is represented by symbols such as bars in bar chart, lines in line chart, slice in pie chart. What is chart? A chart is a graphical representation of data in which the data is represented by symbols such as bars in bar chart, lines in line chart, and slice in pie chart. Now you start Microsoft Excel, open new blank worksheet, and in that worksheet you type the given data. In this worksheet, you will type the score of cricket match. There are two teams and there are 20 overs match. So this team is India and Pakistan. And you will type in the first row there is overs. Then in front of India you will type their scored runs in per over, and then in next row you will type Pakistan and their runs scored in per over. Now you observe there is a first over 10 runs scored by India, Pakistan scored by 3. This way you create their sheet, Excel sheet of 20 overs. Okay. Then now we want to create a chart on this given data. Okay, how to create this? You first select the data on which you want to create a chart. Now you select fifth row, there is India score. In the sixth, there is Pakistan. You select the score by dragging method. You select up to the 20th over. Okay, then you click on insert, then charts group is there, first is column, you click on this. Okay, now you are getting the chart. Okay, now in this chart you observe there's 0, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25. This is y-axis. It represent what? It represent the runs. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 up to 20. This represent what? This is the overs. And here is blue India, red Pakistan. This is called the legends. That means blue bars of India and there's a red bars of Pakistan. You can easily compare. First over, India scored 10 runs, Pakistan scored 3 runs. Okay. Now in this chart, there are the different elements are there. Just like here is legends. Now you can give the title to this area. Okay, title to this chart. How to give the title? When you click this, okay, when you click this chart, you will get the three tabs: design, layout and format. You click on layout, then there is chart title. You select centered overlay chart. Okay, here you can type the title for this chart. This is India versus Pakistan. Okay, you can type their title to this chart. Then after this is x-axis. We want to give the title to this x-axis. There is axis titles. You click on this, then horizontal. Select title below axis. Click here and type the axis for this. So these numbers for what? Overs. So you type here overs. Okay. Now this title for horizontal or say the x-axis overs. Now we want to give the title to the y-axis. What we have to do, okay, we are not observing here that three tabs. You click on this chart and then you select layout. There's axis title. Click on this, then vertical. Now here are three different options: rotated title, vertical title and horizontal title. I am going to use rotated. Click here rotated and you click inside this box, remove that name title and write here runs. Okay, what I have typed there, runs. Now here this is the title for y-axis, this is the title for x-axis, and this is the title for chart. Now there is given about next option legends. Okay, we can add, we can remove, or we can change the position of this. Okay, now you observe the legends at this position on right hand side. You can change the position. Click here legend, show legends on left hand side. So now you observe they are in left side. Okay, you can place at different positions at the top. You observe they at this position. Okay, okay, these are here legends. We are going to keep on right hand side. Okay, this is the chart title, this is the title for y-axis, this is for x-axis, and these are the legends. Then data labels. You click on this data labels and you click, there are also different options: center, inside end, inside base, outside end. You click center. So now you observe the values on these bars. Okay, there is first over blue is 10, here is 3, 8, 4, 9, 6, 7, 8, 6, 9, 4, 6. These are called data labels. Okay, these are called what? Data labels. Now you can place at different positions. You click here, then inside end. Now you observe, then I'm going to select data labels inside base, that means at the bottom. Then data labels, okay, we have to increase the weight, then we can see properly. Okay, I'm going to increase the weight of this chart. Okay, now you observe 10, 8. Now then data labels outside end. Okay, now you observe at the top of that bar 10, then 3, 8, 4, 9, 6. Okay, these are the data labels. We can place they at different position. Then data table. You observe below this chart, if you want the table, okay, the data, you click here data table and show data table. Click. Now at the bottom you find the table, Excel table below this chart. There is India, Pakistan, and there this is the overs 10, 8, 9, 7. These are runs 3, 4, 6. These are runs. Now we can show the data table with legends. Now you will see here, click along with legends. That means which symbol, which color is used for that particular team, that is legends. Then I'm going to remove this table, none. Okay, now we want to see about axis, primary horizontal axis show left to right. Now this x-axis starts from 1 2 3 4 5 6 up to 20, but we want to start from 20 to 1. So we have to select axis, primary horizontal axis, show left to right is there, from there is right to left. Now you observe here is from 20, 19, 18, 17, 16, 15, 14, 13. Okay, then axis again I am going to use the same from left to right. So 1 2 3 4 5 6. Then axis, primary vertical axis, show default axis. Default means 0 5 10, okay, like that. But if you want to show in different values, show axis in thousands. You click here. Now you see the values in thousands. There's axis, vertical axis, show in millions. So you see in millions. Okay, this way you can change the values, billions. Okay, you can change the values. Now we don't want none, so there is no. Axis, vertical axis, then show default axis. So 0 5 10 15, this one. Okay, I hope you understand this bar chart, double bar chart for comparison. You understand how to apply chart title, x-axis title, y-axis title, legends, data labels, data tables, and access. In the next video, I am going to explain the further elements of chart and different types of chart.